Good morning, and welcome to this meditation to set you up for a beautiful day. Go ahead and get super comfortable. You can even do this while you're still laying in bed. Get out any little wriggles, have a nice little stretch, and just arrive here ready for your meditation. Let's start with a few rounds of deep grounding breath, nice deep filling breath in. And a big release, maybe even make some sound with the exhale. 2 more breaths like that. Beautiful. Returning to a natural breath. But just notice when your mind takes you away in a to-do and that's happening for the day or a story. And just gently come back to the breath. Allow your shoulders to soften, your jaw to unwind, unclench. Feel all the muscles on your face relax, your glutes soft, your tummy soft, and just following your gentle, natural breath. Bring your awareness to the heart space, and can you imagine a beautiful golden light right in the center of your heart? And as you breathe in, this golden light is starting to expand throughout your body. Each breath, it's moving through the cells, through all the connective tissue, the energetic lines, this beautiful golden healing light starting to spread throughout your entire body. Moving all the way to your head, down the arms to the fingertips, and all the way down the legs to the feet, the toes. Your whole body is full of this healing golden light. And now it's expanding into your aura, the energy field surrounding your body, pure golden glittery light. And this golden light will move with you throughout your day. It will be with you in every activity that you do, in every encounter that you have. In all of your actions, everyone that you meet will feel this healing golden light in your presence. This beautiful thread running with you throughout your day. You can picture what your day looks like, moving from this space of healing golden light. And from here, setting an intention for the day ahead. How would you like your day to flow? How would you like to feel flowing throughout your day? And embracing that feeling. Having that feeling now, that feeling, whatever it may be, of love, of gratitude, of peace, of calm, embodying that feeling now. As we know, we are a magnet for our desires. So embodying that feeling, matching your vibration to that vibration, will draw it to you quickly with ease. A few more nice, deep, grounding breaths. Two more breaths, filling up the tummy, the rib cage, the lungs, enjoying that expansion. Namaste. I hope your day is beautiful and filled with light and love.